Welcome to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. My name is Dimitri and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel and you like motoring content, consider subscribing. We post almost daily and it's exciting content about down-to-earth motoring devices. Here's one of them, 2018 Suzuki, a single cylinder 650. Actually, this is going to be a cold start. So the bike has 585 miles, and we purchased it from the original lady owner. They were leaving the state and they dropped it off to AlphaCars and asked us to find a good home. So do you have a good home for this bike? If you do, and if you're ready for one, check out alphacars.com. And if this bike is still listed under available vehicles, check out the listing. It will have a lot more details, but in this video, we're just gonna show you how incredibly close to a brand new motorcycle the condition of the bike is. We gave it a detail. Of course, it had a little bit of dust from the indoor storage, climate control indoor storage this bike was in, and it cleaned up beautifully. We did the service on the bike, so it's ready for the road, and it is just such an amazing bike. Before I take it around the parking lot, let's get closer with the camera and we're going to show you some details. Obviously, the condition of tires, brakes, and wear and tear are consistent with only less than 600 miles. Look at the condition of chrome everywhere, and the aluminum. There's literally no pitting, and it looks so very good. The powder coating on the engine, there's no peeling. Usually you would start a little bit of peeling by the edges. This looks unbelievable. And this one has a very simple carburetor. There's no oxygen sensor, there's no computer. It's still one of those bikes where you could just not worry about electronics. So we're gonna check out the front end of the bike, which is equally impressive from the condition standpoint. Of course, with only 585 miles, there's no pitting on the fork. The chrome everywhere looks beautiful. And these bikes are not available new anymore. So if you even were ready to pay a price of the new bike, you cannot buy this bike new. And this bike is very special. Think of one single cylinder with 650 cc's, spoked wheels, impeccable condition of the aluminum on the hub, and you would be essentially buying almost a brand new motorcycle. Let's check out this side of the bike here. And as we do that, we're gonna glance at the mileage so you can see with your own eyes that it is 585. I'm gonna put it in neutral. Okay, so here we have the traditional fuel petcock. We have the choke, and it looks like it has two settings for the choke. Here's the cute adjustment for the idle. Go and find them on the new bikes these days. Look at the condition of rubber pieces. They are absolutely consistent with the new bike. And take my word for it, the underside of the bike has no scuffing, no scratching. The belt is essentially brand new, proper tension. It was checked by our technician. So I think we're ready for a quick ride around the parking lot. And it is a very enjoyable bike to ride. It is very easy to ride. I actually started it in first gear with the clutch. Good habit to have the clutch. Neutral is very easy to find. There it is. And yeah, the clutch grabs nicely. And as you can see, it just has a nice torque. You can feel that piston. Like I go slow right now, I can feel that piston going around and moving the bike. Oops. So I'm gonna take it down this path right here, accelerate a little bit, nothing crazy. It's still a little cold. I'm gonna pull the choke out just a little bit. Yeah, great brakes, great bike. I gotta be careful on the leaves. And I just went over our little spacer for the side kickstand. It was covered by the leaf right there. but very easy bike to maneuver, like very, very, very easy. So yeah, we can do it all day long. We love bikes, we love cars, we love customers who ride bikes and drive cars. We love pets that go on a ride in a Ural sidecar. We have plenty of those, so check out that on our website. But in the meantime, thank you very much for viewing this video, for checking out this bike, and please visit alphacars.com and see if this bike is still available. If it is available, it is an absolutely amazing piece of motoring engineering, because they don't make anything like this anymore. And anywhere you go, you're always going to have this one cylinder with 650 cc's. Thanks again for watching. My name is Dimitri, and until next time.